driving. And we are going to take you guys on an adventure that you've never been on before. What do you say about that, babes?
Definitely, for sure.
Come with us as we tour this. This is personally my favorite place. So let's go to my favorite place. Next time, let's go to yours, babe. How about that?
I don't got one. I got many.
You got many.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that. So this is my favorite place. So let's go. We are at my favorite restaurant. So where do we find this restaurant from?
You know, say I want the hungry kilo, you know.
Yes. Oh, yes.
I'm going to say to hungry kilo, you know. But just instantly pull over.
Yes.
And then
This
Well,
was the
yeah.
spot. Like, after we found this restaurant, we just kept on coming back. The food here,
excellent.
excellent. You're worth every single rice grain you eat, bro. But yes, we're going to show you around. We don't know the name of the restaurant, but we'll show you guys the exact location where to find it.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah, man.
So here is the name, Y&V Restaurant. If you guys are in Long Bay, check out this restaurant. It is so good. And honestly, the best. Just the best. All right, we just came out of the car. Hubby has the food. I'm trying not to slam the door. And I still did. Don't be mad, baby. You know I love you. Oh gosh. And now we are going to sit and
Enjoy
our food.
Yes.
Let's show them what we ordered.
So
So
guys,
what is that you have in your hand?
This is actually beetroot. Understand? The straight beetroot with something else in it, but I don't remember exactly. And one of these is like $200. So I personally think that's not bad. You understand?
Yeah.
And they taste really good.
Really good. And it's very
Yeah.
healthy.
You know what I mean? And you see, look at aunties running around. We are actually in their environment. They can't do say nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah, them probably soon gone. So this is what the food looks like.
Yes, let's show them what the food looks like. That's mine. It's fried chicken
With cold
veg
egg
salad,
gravy.
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And let's show them yours, babe.
Look at the king now.
Mmm.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah, and all this. So, and all this came up to like $1,600. So, you know, it's not bad. I've been to restaurants that charge me like almost $1,000 for a box of food like this, and trust me, you want to vomit after you eat. I'm not joking. And it's really good. So guys, if you want an inexpensive date with your wife or your girlfriend or your fiancé or your partner, just in general, this is the beautiful Long Bay Beach. And that restaurant is located here. So you can actually go, buy the food and come and dine right here and just enjoy that nice oceanic view, you know? Yeah. We're attempting a mukbang.
Yes. There's gonna be noise in the background though because there's a truck unloading
Materials.
Yeah. This is gonna be hard though. So what do you want to talk about, babe?
You know, the quality of this food. Right
The quality of the food.
here. Yeah.
No.
Guys,
I don't want to talk about the quality of
what
food.
do you want to talk about?
All right, let's just talk about food in general.
Mm.
How you can't get good food and how everything's fertilized.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You want to talk about that or no?
Let's talk about restaurants.
Let's talk about restaurants. Oh God! You know what restaurant comes to mind?
So guys,
The only restaurant that comes to mind. The only restaurant that comes to mind.
we're not going to discriminate. We won't tell you what it is.
Yes. Let's not even talk about the name of the restaurant.
The experience
Let's
was
just talk
awful.
about the experience.
Yes.
I can't even eat. All right. So we get to the restaurant, right? Let's say we reached at 8 o'clock. The waitress didn't even acknowledge our existence until when?
About 9 o'clock.
Exactly. And personally, us, when we go to restaurants, we like to go hungry so we can enjoy the food. And we never order the same dish. I will order one thing and he will order something else so we can switch along the way. You continue the story because I got to eat.
So guys, after that, you know, the girl come. How may I help you? What you want to order? So she gave us a menu. And the menu, you know, I was like, this menu is trash. There's not a variety here, but...
And it's expensive.
I was dumb expensive. Like, way expensive.
Way
like,
expensive.
I paid $1,500 for 6 pieces of chicken wings without fries, nor local sauce.
Yes.
And they want to charge me $500 for one side.
And the chicken wings is this small. Let's not even...
And you full of bone. Guys, restaurant located at Port, and that's all you need to know. At Port there, there's a lot of restaurants. At Port there, that's all. If you know, you know. That's all I'm going to say.
We got our food, first of all. So, yes, let's say we reached there at 9. The waitress comes to us at... No, we reached there at 8. The restaurant comes to us at 9. We didn't get our food until 10. Plus, where it's located is pure mosquitoes. I think I have a video still. You see the mosquitoes flying around his head, flying everywhere. It was bad. Bad.
Not good at all. There's one restaurant over that I always recommend.
Always. The prices is affordable. The quality
is excellent.
Very good.
Yes, guys.
And this the service time.
Yeah, it's really quick and fast. But there's only one downside to this. You have to travel on some whole heap of bad road.
Yeah, the location.
St. Thomas is there.
The location.
But let me tell you, when you taste the food, the journey will be worth it. I'm telling you.
Spirit.
Yes. Get in our food spirit now.
What you doing? So good. So good. And we actually got engaged there.
Yes, guys.
You can't forget that important part.
It's an amazing place. The deck, you should check it out.
You should.
You
really
really
should.
amazing.
We're not sponsored. We wish we were sponsored. If you want to sponsor us,
just either of them. Yeah.
But let us know where we should go.
Hey guys,
you know,
if there's a restaurant that you're uncertain of,
yes,
and you want to get some feedback on it, we'll go there, we'll sit and eat and record there and let you know how the food tastes.
We could do a live,
because you don't know, so we know good tasting food.
Oh yes,
just like how this beetroot is good.
It makes you strong.
Milk muscle them I grow up now.
Look at tigers I grew up too.
Yes, sir.
Oh gosh. Anyways, guys, we're gonna finish eating our video. I said we're gonna finish eating our video. We're gonna finish eating our food. We'll catch back. Man, thank you on dropping. We'll catch up with you guys
later.
Ta-ta.
Bye-bye.
All right, so we have our little pet cat. Say hi, kitty. We love this cat. Every time we go to Long Bay, he's always here, and we always play with him. This is like the highlight of our visit, you know? Super sweet. All right, guys.
Hello.
Recording from my phone, so you probably see a difference in quality.
I don't know.
But we are on Horizon. So, why I keep on messing up? We are on Long Bay Beach now. And we are here for 2 reasons. What is the first reason?
Number 1, we're shooting an introduction video.
Yes. And what's the second one?
Because I love swimming and I want to go in the water.
Oh, exactly.
But we're not going in.
No.
For that see like
Puss.
cat.
Yes, cats. All right, guys, so this is Long Bay Beach. This is personally my favorite beach because it is so long. I know that sounds like, obviously it's long because it's called Long Bay Beach, but this beach is just beautiful because of how big it is, you know? The beach goes all the way back to down there, all the way to down there. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we are writing the letters in the sand. That's Ramin's. And this is mine. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so we are still here. We are recording our introduction now. Drone is in the air. The words are written. And let's see what's going on. All right, so we just finished the
Flight, guys, like, yeah,
it came out so good. I'm so proud of you, babe.
Battery dead. I'm going to recharge it up.
Yes.
No, not recharge. I'm going to switch it out.
Yes.
I'm going to shoot out this again.
Yes.
Don't know.
Let's see what Ramin is shooting. Wow. God's beauty, you know?
So guys, reach our favorite peanut stops. It's night now. It's a bit dark. Wifey decided, hey, I wanna go, babe. So there's wife going to get some peanuts. So let's zoom in, guys, and see what's going on. Yes. So she buy 400 bags. Not marijuana, guys. That's 400 bags because it's like $100 for a bag of peanuts. So now the Ross, they are the peanut there. So here she comes back. And here she's coming back, guys. She's coming and she's coming. And so let's turn on some light so you can see her.